Layer styles do a lot of stuff. Now, I've got my own little technique for doing neon that takes several steps. I call this kind of like down and dirty neon. It's just a real quick way to make an impression of neon. So in your exercise file, open up neon sign PSD. Okay, we're going to make dude look a little bit more like neon. So let's select the dude layer. Start out by turning off the fill. Now that means he's going to go away, but remember that allows us to see the layer styles and work this thing through visually. So we go into our button down here and go into outer glow. Let's start with an outer glow. You can see it's starting to work already. Now in outer glow, we have an opacity, a noise ratio. Here's the color. Now that's more of a pastel yellow. I want something a little bit more solid than that. So I'm going to click this button right there. Just click right on that. And let's take this intensity slider right here. We're going to pull it all the way over to give it full saturation into the yellow. A little bit more intense. Click OK. Let's go ahead and go into spread. Now what spread does is it kind of increases the density of that outer glow. And of course size is almost like it's softening the edges. Next thing we want to do is an inner glow. So if we select inner glow, as you can see, it begins kind of completing this out. So we have it soft on the inside and the outside. Let's go into our color again here. And let's go ahead and increase that saturation to 100%. Make that a little bit more intense and click OK. We can go into our size right here and give that a little bit more softness. That's what size really does. And I'm thinking maybe we want a little bit more opacity. Opacity is up here. It's at 75%. That's the default. I can come right here and take that to 100%. That's going to make it more intense. But to balance it out, we can go into outer glow and maybe do the same thing. Well, there you go. Just a really quick way to give something that actually started out as a fill, remember, that's what it is, a more neonish look with a couple of layer styles, inner and outer glow. On to the next.